Wondering how much roof repair typically costs? Understanding the expenses involved can help you plan and budget for your home's maintenance needs. First, the type of roof you have plays a big role in determining the cost. Asphalt shingles are generally the least expensive to repair, while materials like slate or metal, can be more costly. The complexity of your roof's design also impacts the price. Next, the extent of the damage is a major factor. Minor repairs, like replacing a few shingles, will cost much less than fixing extensive damage or leaks. The longer you wait to address an issue, the more expensive it might become. Labor costs are another consideration. These can vary depending on where you live and how difficult the job is. In areas with high demand for skilled roofers, labor costs may be higher. Roof accessibility can also affect the cost. If your roof is hard to reach or has a steep pitch, contractors might need special equipment or additional help, increasing the overall price. For common repairs like replacing shingles or fixing a leak, you can expect to pay anywhere from a few hundred to over $1,000, depending on the severity of the issue. To avoid surprises, it's always best to address roof problems early. If you're concerned about your roof, contact RoofWorks for a free inspection. Our team will assess your roof and give you a clear estimate for any necessary repairs. Visit our website or give us a call to book your inspection today.